Great song. Got the right stuff. Mojo. Love the way you hit those stocks. Mojo, I got the berth. I hit the grade big. 300 yards. I draw. Got the right stuff. Go. What's up top in the Mojo? I got a watermark on my screen now, but you can subscribe to my channel. Right down there, guys. You know you'll get an email every single time I go live. Don't get eaten by the shark, folks. Let's take a look at what we got. Big shout out to the man whose birthday today, Pro Trader Allen, birthday today in the Mojo room. Birthday to you. Birthday to you. Happy birthday, Pro Trader Allen. Happy birthday to you. AAOI is $5. Can't wait to show this in my webinar on Wednesday. On Sunday night at 8 o'clock. This is my stock I've been using for months as an example of the Ken Slim picking stocks. $7 today. Own this sucker, $50. It should go up, maybe do a stock split. Now it's a 2-for-1. A couple other stocks we're in. R-Log. See one? We're not in it now. It's 47 cents, but we were in it before on this run. See this run it made earlier? Look. Stock goes from R-Log, 24 cents to 45 cents to 50 cents to traded it right up here. Yeah. Only reason why I traded it because I'm the CEO of the company. You know that, right? Michael Rich. That's my name. Not Pro Trader. You know, my name. I wasn't born Pro Trader Mike. You know that, right? You know that, right? Brand. Go to the Rand Corporation. R-Log. There he is. Rich. Yo, but that ain't me. What I did was I did a little cute thing on Twitter. Here, I put my picture in. We hit a big stock on it from 56 cents, man, right at the high. I nailed it right through, and now this went right through 60, right up there. Made a lot of money on it. Michael Rich is the president and chief executive of Rand Corporation. Went right up here. 57, 58, 59, 60. Cool. Traded some other ones too. ARMK for a small price. Mark. 5 Met caught the first V band right here on the 3, and we got no dip down, so we gobbled it up. That was ARMK. So let's go back in the beginning of the day. I'll show you what happened in the MOJO Day Trading. How we became profitable for the 632nd day in a row. 632 days in a row. I just got a message. Don't get lost. Pro Trader Mike's a great trader. Don't get lost in the bullshit. That's oh. Oh, Kong. Oh, Planet of the Apes. Which is cool because you can put your thing on it. Watch. It goes down there in the bottom. See that? Yo, I want to thank everybody. I passed 38,000 followers on Twitter. Thank you so much, my followers, who are making my going for the high of the day, which was that RAND jump right there, boom, from 58 to 60, was just like that. Nailed it. Did that on a couple of stocks today. I went for the high of the day. I did it. It's a big jump, but I did it. This is the toughest market I've traded in my career. I've traded for 25. Nah, actually, there was slight time that the market went down 45 days in a row, and it became very difficult to trade. No one wanted to buy anything. Selling, selling, selling. Now it's the opposite. Now, no, I don't think who's committing money into this market. I don't know, man. I'm live on Periscope. V-band. Did a nice V-band play right here. Actual screenshots go out in the room. Did a free chat day today again for the first time in a month. I had all these people come in. Not one person joined, and I booted every one of them out of the room. Let me see if there's anyone in here now. Maybe I could do that again, live for you. That would be pretty. Nope, there's nobody left. Nobody left. Yes, first time in this situation. Mike, are we supposed to see your screen? You don't? Oh, there's the link right here. Come watch me. All these new people that don't know how to work the room. Dow's up 80. It's really incredible how the Dow Jones is at a high right here. Right, it's unbelievable. It really is. So incredible right now. I don't know who's buying. Who's committing money up here is the thing. Look at these stocks. Oh, we got a Cupid top on Facebook. Cupid top. Let me show you what happens. FYI, guys. FYI. You know that this bar next could be this long and take every one of these days out in one shot. Market makes a little tankle tumble. It'll stop right here. And then the next day, because everyone can't sell that fast in one day, it'll establish a new range right here. And then 3 months later, it'll establish a new range down here until the stock comes to $127. That's that number, and it's 160. So the upside risk on this is minimum. The downside, you can make 20 points. One of those times in the market. Did the same thing in 2012. 2013 documented. Come to my webinar Sunday. Swim by the Mojo Webby and become my next success story. Success like Alan. Happy birthday, boy. There he is. Hey. Who's 8 people that wouldn't like that? Oh, my competition. If you don't know what a millionaire trader looks like, folks, take a good look. Very successful insurance guy.
$2 to make $1. So I was looking for a way to replace my prior overhead and being able to work out of my luxurious home office, which you can see. So I scoured the internet looking for places to day trade. There were very few at the time compared to what there are now. However, I got lucky on StockTwits and found Trader Mike. I liked his ideas, no hesitation, and immediately joined his room. And subsequently, as soon as possible, hired him personally one-on-one to coach me to accelerate my learning curve. It was the best $2,000 I ever spent. Mike is a phenomenon in the day trading business. There is no one else to see and foretell what a stock's going to do faster than his picks are phenomenal. Right, 95 to 97% or more.
Smoking crack.
You can see the track record for yourself online, all out there for the world to see. Completely transparent, including over 800 YouTube videos which recap our daily trading and trials. And I only trade his picks. Incidentally, Mike's system is so good, and I only trade his picks. Mike's system is so good, and I only trade his picks. Incidentally, Mike's system is so good, and I only trade his picks. Mike's system is so good, and I only trade his picks. I haven't had a losing trading day since November 2014. Heard that right, folks. I haven't had a losing trading day since November of 2014. Heard that right, folks. I have not had a losing day since November of 2014. I do have losing trades, however, but never read for the day, folks. I have not had a losing day since November of 2014. I do have losing trades, however, but never read for the day. Is that right, folks? I have not had a losing day since November of 2014. I do have losing trades, however, but never read for the day. Thanks to Mike and the system and staying on the reservation.
Guys, you'd like to emulate and trade along with winners like us? It's available for you at mojodaytrading.com/special. I got a real good deal for you. The 8 people that would dislike that or say, hey, prove it, dude. You're getting paid by Mike. You're a punk. And you'll always be a punk. Kid. Never, ever with 6 figures in your bank account. That's flush with cash. Above that, meaning 250, 450,000 in cash sitting in your bank account from day trading. That's why you mock a person like that, because you're jealous and you would never, ever have 6 figures in your bank account. What a feeling it is of power to have 6 figures in my bank account. The feeling of security, knowing that I have over $100,000 in cash bank from day trading business built? No. Really? Pretty impressive. You want to see my statements? You want to see Alan's statements? Read between the lines, dude. Send me your statements of losing your ass, and then I'll send you my statements to show you how to win. Like the guy that says, hey, you give me $2,000 if your system's so good. You give me, and I'll take your course. How about this, Mr. Better? You take my course for $2,000. If you don't improve and are saying it's priceless and want to continue after I cut you off on the 3rd course, we'll make a deal. After course 3, you have 3 more courses to go. If you don't want to continue with the course, I'll pay you 3 times the amount, $6,000. And if you want to stay, I keep you $2,000. It's that good. Money back guarantee? Dude, I'll give you 3 times your money. You prove to me my course can help you. Hear that, folks? You prove and take my course. It's $24.97. You take my course and you prove to me it doesn't work, I'll give you 3 times your money back in writing. And yesterday, you would have had to give me double, $4,000. But I feel good today because it's Alan's birthday. So I'll give it to you even odds. I'll pay you 3 to 1. You pay me 1, I pay you 3. I'll pay you 5. I'll give you $10,000 if you prove to me my course for a day trader is no, and you don't want to continue after the 3rd class. And there's 6 now, not 8. Bottom line, feeling of greatness. I'm that confident. I'm that confident. Come and you'll see. Register right here. Let's see what else I got on my site. Ooh, quit your day job. I like that video. Ooh, look at all my videos right here of my live. Do you know I traded live in the last couple of days here? Over an hour in the stock market. On. Hanging out on these babies. Twitter's got some action going on. I think Donald Trump's going to buy it out. And Don Jr. is going to run it. They love that Twitter. Trump organization, they need one of those assets. Bonnie loves the little blue bird. She's like, Donald, why do you keep on texting on that Twitter at night? I want to have some sex. Like, honey, let me just send out one more tweet to my Russian friend, Mr. Out There, and we'll call it a night on the Twitter. She's like, I like that little birdie. He's like, how about I buy that birdie? It's only like, what? I think it's worth 100. She's like, Donald, isn't that what you do? You buy low and sell high, and if you bought it, everyone would want it, and you could probably sell it for double. He's like, good idea. I'm going to go buy Twitter. And that's why it's going up like a magnet to $20. Someone's buying it. If I was the Donald, I'd say to the guy who's running it, you know what? Aren't you the CEO of another company called Square?
You're fired. You're fired.
I'd fire him.
You're fired.
Right like that. Kabing. You're fired. You're fired. Fired. See, when I turn the room on now you'll get a double echo. Now you'll hear me in the room and on YouTube. Crazy. Let me mute the room. Amgen's moving. That means Ameren may move for us now. Gave out the secret of the tag along. Guys were asking me, what do I like on Ameren? I'm like, that's one of the things. Array too, A-R-A-Y, see it? It's not like, doesn't have AM, but it's the same thing. These stocks move together. The motion. Neurogenetics, see Neuromatrix, 204,000, huge move off the bottom. This, R-Log, huge move off the bottom. How come they're all doing that? Because the market's so toppy, they're coming into the stocks that have been beaten up so bad, there's no more downside. I got a couple of them that ready. That's Stinger. Stinger, Scorpio Tankers. Let's check out the shipper. $1.03 last time, 97 cents. Shipper's gonna go back through $1. Good buy here. See that 96 and the 74? Buy. They ain't getting filled. He's moving now, on my word. See, they're moving it now. As soon as I come on and talk about it. We're gonna buy dry ships. Hold it overnight. Till Monday. Market tanks, it'll go up on a short squeeze. Downside risk. Upside, 5-to-1. Risk reward. That's all I need. Just like that. AOI, Heinz 85. Oh, amazing. Sick at the high of the day. What a great pick today. Gave that out this morning, boys. Oh, my lunch is here. Nice. Ooh, thank you for delivering my lunch. Needs the mouse. That's all you need. See that thing, man? It's gonna rip again. It's going to 100. It's going to 100, my stock. Hey, 100. Once it splits, it's gonna have double the amount of shares, so it'll move a little bit slower. That's after it splits. Ooh, nice. I got some chips. Tuna on toast. Okay. Lunch. All right, let's see what we got here. Trades come up in the afternoon. Okay. Well, it'll last way longer than 5 minutes. I hate when dogs beg for food. Like, leave me alone, let me eat in freaking peace, you pig. There we go, you'd eat all day. Guys, watch that screen, man. What goes on with those stocks? Terrible. Just terrible. But come on, it can kick it up. Want to see something? Let me show you. Tell me if this looks like any stock currently that I'm going to show you. We'll do a comparison. You ready? This pattern right here is stock A off that high. And it will return back in here. This is stock A. Look at stock B. You ready? Okay. This is what I did several days ago. Now you tell me if stock B is just like stock what we did here. Okay? See this? Same exact thing as U's because it was up here and it was up here. See this drop? See it? Same as UV. Look, same as UV. This will be UV solidation. One green bar, which will probably come on Monday. And then watch it. See it? Even though they're red, watch. Ready? See it? Boom. Gap up. Gap up. That's what it's going to do. It's going to gap up like that. Went to 1389 from 1120. It's a huge move. Huge. And the same thing is going to happen to UVXY right now. Mark my words. Mark my word. My voice on YouTube's choppy. Let me check it out. Maybe I got the wrong mic on. I got the right one. Test. Maybe it's a little too far from my face. That's what it is. That's better. AAOI ripping. Here it goes, 86. Got the right stuff. Baby. Awesome. Signal at 86. I'm already in this thing from too low. Show you what we did in the room today. Been a busy day, folks. Really long day. If you can't see. Look, really long day. Here's a shot of the market I took yesterday. Real nice. Let me show you what went on in the day trade room. Been a really long day. Really long day. So we gave our morning trading plan. I've had the same trading plan for 5 years. I brought this into MOJO Day Trading. It hasn't changed since day one because it's the rule that made me successful. Now, I would never, at this point of my career in teaching, come up with a new rule about my system. Because if that happened, that means everything I've taught about my system didn't work and wasn't accurate. And I've already taught it to a lot of people, and many people have failed. That could be a reason why. Because the system or strategy you thought you had is flawable, and you can lose. Not with MOJO Day Trading. What makes me different? My room doesn't lose. Makes me different. Trader Ramey's brand new. He's a minion. We started out with UV up here at $9. It touched $9. So right now, the fact that it's at $8.50, I love it. 86, sick. Great job. 86.20. Motto for one of my traders, Trader Polo. I'm an HHPC. I'm a Heinz Hunter Profit Collector. Continuing through the day, new avatar selection for Pro Trader Cobb. He likes pickles. Welcome, Trader Cobb, with your awesome avatar. Then we traded a V-band spike with news on USLV and bought it at 10.28 with specific buy and sell signals. And NTNX. And then Twitter. We bought all three. See them? There's a buyout happening on Twitter. This is how it, and this was at 8:30 this morning, I noticed the action. It's the same exact way it acted when it went to 25 and higher on the last rumored buyout. I think it was in February of this year. Then, new avatar by Darcy. He's Spider-Man. Played a little dead in the room this morning. I got a stock moving. CERC, 2.7 million shares traded. Come on, freaking computer. Sorry, food. There's money on the table instead of you. Here we go. CERC. Look. Holy mama, Mike caught the freaking boat leaving the dock. I caught the boat leaving the dock, boys. Do some maneuvering. RC. I also have another swing pick I put out because, you know, you can't put all your eggs in one basket. You know that, right? So I like this to go on the MOJO watch list, number 1. I like the MOJO watch list. I think the risk reward in this reward goes to $1.20 plus. And the risk 96 and below. Stop out. On this one, reward goes to $1.20. I like that. I like that risk rewards. Pretty good combination. Oh yeah, that's good stuff. That's symbol is CERC. The name of the company is called Ceracor. $101 by $102 on 2.8 million. Really nice. It's a miracle, miracle, miracle. So we caught USLV off 1028 and sold it up here in the 40s. Sold. Sweet profit pre-market. Morning, Edwin. Morning, Isaac. Morning, Ramey. Morning, Sheila. Morning, everybody. Everybody's coming in the room. I've already traded pre-market. Then I showed you my morning routine with being a clipper. Love that. Clipped a couple of good ones this morning. Everyone came in. We rocked. Harmony looking at. Saw the signal right there, didn't do nothing, moved away from that. Mosi right here at the play, 161. We waited for an entry lower. We got that sucker, nailed this one at 21.89, and Mosi right there back at 167. Nailed Mosi. Got into CTIC. Mosi held off right here. This is one of the best picks. They wanted to redo Mosi at 159.60 with a signal here at 55. I said, no way. Look, right to 55. Right to 55, right under 55. And you guys, look, 1282, see it? You guys rocked. You guys went to 1310, beautiful. UVXY, this is the trading in UV, entry number 1 right here. Then we did FSFR right here at 854. FSSR was great right here. It went to 893 from 850, great 40-cent move. Then dry ships, I passed on the dry ships at 102, which was a nice pass because it's lower. Actually went to 108, but I passed. And I was in USLV right here. INAP, EKSO passed on. And then we did a scale-in right here on that bar. FSSR making a move to 70. And then all the people that were in the room that I showed some great trading to all got kicked out. See you later. They wouldn't even answer me. Traded great on USLV. He added an avatar. Then we played the Dow to go red. From $2 up 271. It actually did. I can't believe we're up 80 points right now. And we did the Dow tracker. Here's what we're in UVXY for. UVXY is not that kind of stock where it's like a regular kind of play. The reason why you'd be in UVXY is because there's nothing else to be in right now. And when you least expect it, it could spike $1, just like it did the other day. It went $1.57 right out of nowhere. Then 2 days later, it went 70, 80 cents out of nowhere. And it's such a big move so fast, all you can do is sell into it. You can't buy it because it reverses so hard. So if you're just sitting in it and you're down a nickel or a dime, it makes no difference. It's par for the... If I have to, at the end of the day, it doesn't make its move and sell it for a 10-cent loss, great. On the balance, it's -10. But tomorrow when it goes up and I do the same thing and I make $1.30 like I did a couple of days ago, I'm up $1.20 on it. I've made $1.30 and I lost 10 cents is a positive $1.20. So I look at the variance of it over the course of time because I always play it over and over, and I will, and I don't look at any single hand. I look at that over the course of time. So what we do is, if you don't like it, don't play it. The market's green, and it has been, so it's not conducive right now for any big move. There has to be a market event or an action that's going to have to take place. If it does, awesome. If it doesn't, no big deal. The fact that it's close to 9 now, not 10, it can be played back and forth through a Hines, and when it splits to a higher price, the same thing. We're going to add LABD. We have JNUG, UGAZ, LABD, oil ETFs. These are all things for liquidity that we'd be able to play through Hineses throughout the day. But I tell you, I personally have not seen a market this bad to trade in the last 2 weeks to 3 weeks than in the previous 5 years of all MOJO Day Trading history. I would say this is the toughest market to day trade I've ever seen. No question. And I explain it well, thank you. So here's moves, and here's we kick people out of the room. It happened at 10:25 a.m. I traded, did awesome. 10 people in here, speechless. Not one word. Why even be here? If I went to my competitor's room and at the end of the trade he said hello to me, I'd be like, dude, hi. What's going on? Great trading, by the way. That was an awesome pick on this one and that one. I maybe pick his brain. Can you tell me how you did that? Instead, dead. Silence. So what do I do with the dead? They look good in the beginning. See, I turn around. I'm like, dude, cute little girl. She's blonde. Look, a cute little girlie with a teddy bear. She's lost. I think I can help. Are you lost, little girl? What happened to your mouth? Oh my gosh, what are you doing? She's gonna eat me. I had to put her out of her misery. Him, out of his misery. Him, I'll beat in the head with a bat. See ya. Protect my face from his blood. Boom. Boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. What are you coming in the room for? A bunch of zombies walking around. Hey, you, how you doing? You like that pick? Boom. It's all about respect. So we let a couple people kick some people out of the room today. It was nice. It's a good feeling when I give over the controls to the trader and you can kick the guy out of the room and ban him. That's a great feeling. Then we traded MOSI right here at 148. See this? Huge move off the MOSI auto close. Auto closing MOSI, adding on to Twitter. Look at Twitter, 69. It's moving. It's like a magnet to 20. There's an algorithm in this that made it do what it did today. And we sold it at 1994. Watch. How did I pick the top? The high was 97. I sold it at 94 and 95. 2 cents off the top. 2. And said, we're out of it flat. I'll miss 3 cents on the upside. There's too much downside. Watch the coaching. Nice avatar. Rolls Royce. Tech. 93. Nice Rolls Royce avatar, kid. Then we had this guy get the Minion. He liked golf. He chose the Minion. I would have chose the Minion too. Junior is gone for the day with $489. Junior hasn't lost one day in the MOJO Day Trade room in over 2 years. Alan is only a little bit ahead of him at 3 years. But Junior hasn't lost one day in over 240 days in a row. Alan is on a 620-day win streak. Yep. Junior's on a 240-day and more win streak. So let's take $500, which he makes average, $489, and we'll times it by that many days. So let's take $500, we'll take $489, and we'll times it by 240 days. That's what his account is at in profit. Pretty good, man. You know what he started with? Nothing. You know what he has now? A lot of money. A lot of money. 240 days times 498. Got a lot of money. Now he's going to do it for the next 1,000 days. So take 489 times 1,000. It'll be up to $500,000. He does the same thing every day. He leaves every day. He used to break his back in the landscaping business for years until he met the Mojo. That's Junior, folks. Junior. Let me show you Junior. See Junior. Where are you, Junior? Come on, Junior. Come up. Here you go. Here's Junior. Let's coming. Got to bring him back. So, this is Junior. Your story may be similar to his. Maybe. Pro Trader Junior at 3:39 p.m. I'm here writing to express my thanks to you, Pro Trader Mike. It all started in late 2015 when I hurt my back. I worked with landscaping for 10 years. Could you imagine the back-breaking business, owning your landscaping business with your clients from house to house, doing the lawn and the equipment and the back-breaking to make $500 a day, $1,000 a day? Because that's all you'll make. And that's really pushing your body and your limits. He worked 65 to 80 hours a week to pay the bills. So after I hurt my back, I stayed a month in bed, and that's when I said to myself, it was time to change my life. I always liked the stock market more without even a little experience. Then I started to search the internet. It was there I found MOJO Day Trading. Then I discovered that Pro Trader Mike posts videos every day on YouTube. So I started watching many of his videos, and a week later, I signed for MOJO Day Trading and the swing trading with Mojo. And soon, Pro Trader Mike offered me to start with a demo account for me not to risk my real money, and I did it for 2 months. After that, I started to have a little idea of what day trading was. More anyway, I started little by little to learn, and it was in July of 2016 when I joined my first MOJO University. It was there my eyes were open, and everything started to change. Because at MOJO University, Pro Trader Mike teaches you all the secrets to day trading and swing trading. MOJO University changed my life, and until now, February of 2017, I've been through 4 MOJO Universities, and I hope not to stop there. And now, in 2017, I am prepared to be able to leave my landscaping job, start my own business that is day trading for life. And for all of those who are reading this testimony, don't let these opportunities that appear in your life pass you by. Think that tomorrow you can be in-house in front of your computer making money together with the MOJO team. So stay here, Pro Trader Mike. So stay here, Pro Trader Mike. All my thanks to you for giving me all your teachings so I have the chance to change my and my family's life. Thank you very much, Pro Trader Junior. And then again, he made $997, and he's gone for the day at 10:21 a.m. Mike, today I'm done for the day again, today, and he made $489 at 10:43. The other day he was done at 10:21. That's what he does every day. It's the business because of MOJO wave theory. This story may be similar to you. And if you would like to make big money, you can have the chance to as well. What do we got? OCRX is the same. STM is the same. We bought this one at $15.90 and change. Amron's the same. Arlog we sold. Aramark we sold. ARMK was also a very good pick that we did. I'm up to right here. We're in this DPLO. Let's see what that one did. Add at only 40, 45, and 50 on DPLO. It went to 15.45 from right here, so it still hasn't done anything. And then we got rid of these guys that were, still hanging around. This guy came in as Pro Trader Jason. A lot of nerve with that. Let me just ban him again just for the hell of it. That's just a lot of nerve. This guy, he met 30 days, come back, do it again. I banned him to see these guys. I can get him to join for $0. I offered him to be a member for nothing. For nothing. 0. I guess they were speechless because they had nothing to say. Happy birthday, Alan. Many more, buddy. And then the Dow went red. We played it for the red, and it went red. And now it's up 75. 258. We got to be a big sell-off in the next hour. It's Friday. Who the freak is? Options expiration. Let's get this ball rolling downhill, baby. Let's get the snowball rolling downhill. Bigger and bigger and bigger. Till it can't stop no more. Who's going to do the freaking push? Come on, Trump. Dining and wine. Everyone's wishing Alan a happy birthday. That's what we do. We're a family-oriented team, and everybody is like-minded with the same mission. And it's not about me and my wins or losses. Who cares? It's the people in my room. Gerardo, Alan, Aiko, Ramey, Mara, all these people, it's about them making money. Not me. I'm just giving the picks, folks. Realize that. There's other room moderators and teachers and all they do is show you their results, not the room and the community. Why? Because they front run the room and they make their money off of the room. We don't do that. We don't do that at all. I give everybody the opportunity to make money and do it correctly. That's the difference. Big difference. Big difference. My whole room making money every day. Not just me, everybody. And you'll never have a big losing day in my room. It's impossible. I'm on it too big. On it too big. Never have a big losing day in my room. So if you've ever had a losing day, like with the stock BDR the other day, see people chase this thing up right here on 2.5 million shares on a little dollar stock. That's called inexperience. The people that bought this made videos. I bought 20,000 shares, made a little money, so I bought it again, and then it ran to $1.29, and within a minute it dropped to 80 cents, and they lost $10,000. And they put themselves at risk. And then they traded more and were down more money, and then they came up with new rules to implement in their system. Like, hey, if I'm down $1,000, I'm going to quit for the day. Guys, if I'm down $1,000 in my room, hold on. Hey guys, if I'm down $1,000, am I quitting for the day or am I making it back instantly? Look at my room. Alan, you're down 1,000, am I quitting? Or am I making you back the money strategically and smart? One shot, boom. Yep. No way, dudes. You think I go down 500 or 1,000? I'm making it right back. My rule, I'm going to stop for the day because I have a fuzzy head and I can't see clearly and things are different. Yeah, that's called inexperience. That means you're put in a tough situation and you run away like a little chicken. You get your ass kicked. Mojo does not get his ass kicked. Heed that warning. That's the difference, folks. Anyone can give you a winning pick. It's what you do in the bad situations. One bad situation take you 5 months to make that shit back. Longer. 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 You don't think I get punched in the face once, I don't feel it? Dude, believe me. Believe me, I feel it. You better believe it, because I hit hard like a clipper. Kick the market's ass, we do. Whew. Carol, look at the woman. She's even making it back over you lame birds out there. See Carol? Huh? Look at her. She'll crush you in 2 things. Carol, I'm just telling how you'll crush everybody in trading and poker. She's a machine. Let's play poker tomorrow night. I'll set up a game right now. On PokerStars. I'm setting up a game right now. Here's my PokerStars. Huh. Disappeared off my desktop. I have my own group. I have it on my website. /poker. There it is. The Mojo Poker Club. Right here. So we'll do a tournament for tomorrow night for $25 per tournament. They're sit and goes. They're quick 3-minute blinds. $25, winner takes all. We usually have a nice little group there. So we'll play usually 3 of them. They go pretty quickly. This is my ID, the invitation code to join. This is how you join, guys. Check it out. It's the MOJO Poker Club. PokerStars.net. You know that PokerStars is .net? Read down. So you come here, you go to PokerStars.net, and you click download and play. And then you look for the home game. I'll show you how to do it because I'm downloading it now. While that downloads, Poker Club. So we'll do the game for tomorrow night, which will be July. We haven't played in 3 months. July 15th at 2100 hours. July 14th. $2,100 hours done. Now I got to put up the PokerStars. Yeah, we'll have a good game. OCN moving. V-band spike. Maybe? No. Kind of, no. AAOI really had a nice Cupid top. Oh. I downloaded it. Na-na-na. My computer's been messed up. I'm returning my computer. Whole thing going on, folks. So yeah. And it's not moving today. We only got an hour left, brother. Only got an hour left. Things ain't really happening here on Friday. I don't think anyone's committing any monies to the market really strong right here or looking to do anything like that. Wow, I have so many emails. First time I looked at my email today. Oh, people are joining Mojo University and they're not even registered for the course. Love when that happens, right? It's like, dude, what are you kidding me? This guy right here. And I bet he's logged in like 80 times trying to get my information. Let's see how many times he logged in. Infiltrator, infiltrator, infiltrator. Got an infiltrator. Yeah, my computer's big time aggravation. It still works, but it's just not a rocket ship like there's some things going on. He logged in 2 times. Twice. Not bad. Usually I got guys that do it like 80. They're like looking for stuff. I added a couple courses to you, Bustafoo. Yeah, but I added a couple courses. You had logged in. Who logged in too? Racer. Courses I can give you. Special situation report. Added that to yours. Understanding, no. I'll give you the Glenn, Edwin, I think I gave you everything too. $30 times. Already watched 1, 2, 3. Dude, my thing didn't freaking download, bro. What the hell's going on? Downloading for some reason. My all that stuff off the computer. Focus stars. Computer's a piece of crap. Download. Close the browsers. New browser. I have other browsers open. That's probably why. You know, real money can play in New Jersey. Look. Real money can be played in New Jersey on PokerStars. Can you believe that? Anybody live in New Jersey in my room? Play some poker with some real money? Win some? Anybody? Anybody in New Jersey? No? It's downloading right now. I was just on the wrong page. It's pokerstars.com. Download the software. Dude, there's nothing moving. It's so crazy. I've never seen a market like this. So bad. I got the right stuff, but it ain't bad. The first trade was a sweet trade. Second trade was nice. I filled it in on the third trade, and then I closed it down for the day. I got the right stuff, baby. Ooh, 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 ooh. I hit the first trade, baby. Then the second one, 'cause we got the right stuff. And we abandoned the stupid UV and traded other stocks and made money because we can't trade it only when it's red. Goes by the, oh, there it is. See it downloaded. Ching bang. English. I agree. Install. I don't know how you got uninstalled, baby pop. Yeah, AAOI is beautiful stock. I could have made more if I had more buying power. It was easy to hit hard and sell. It was hard to scale into. The easy AAOI. If you had just a clipping 1 at 2,000, market order buy, 5 minutes later, close your eyes, do a little right stuff dance, turn around, you can sell it for a profit 5 times in a row. Got the right stuff, baby. All right, PokerStars is opening. Finally, here we go. Log in. Stars ID. Ace, King, King, Mike. Password. I have no idea. How about this? I have the password somewhere over the rainbow. PokerStars. MOJO Trader. Day Trading. PokerStars. Continue to PokerStars. Look, it's giving me a update download file. Update download file. Ooh, I'm excited. I wish I was in New Jersey. I'd play some live poker right now. Ooh, I gotta get my chips. Fingers roll. I gotta crack them. Ooh. Oh. 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 Now I'm ready to play golf, basketball, tennis, football, anything with my hands. I'm ready right now. My fingers are so strong and loose when I do that. Dude, let's rock and roll. Let's rock and roll. Called a chip twirl. You take it, you pull the middle chip down like this with your finger. See it? You pull the middle one down, and then you spin it around. Watch. So you hold it on the equator. You take it, you pull it down like this with your middle. Catch it right here in your fingers. I have to do it smooth. I haven't played in a while. Hold on, Carbon Poker too. On Carbon Poker too. Real money account on. Okay, here we go, boys. So let's show you right here. This is my home games. See, you go right here down to more. You click home games. I have 78 people in the poker club right here. See them all? Right here. Here's everybody. So I'm going to make up a game. We'll do a schedule. Let's make a tournament. Club home. Schedule. Here's the standings. See? But that's not me. Let me go to my club home. MOJO Trader results. See, here's some of the results. Manage games. Here we go. Create a tournament. So we're going to name this the July How about we name it the right stuff? Nah. How about, what's the name? Give me a good name for the tournament, guys. The July Jamboree. The July Fest. The MOJO Summer Bash. The Shabling Ding Dang-a-lang. Need something. Good name. Then, what do I think about UVXY? I don't know. What do you think about it? I've only talked about it 19 times today. I could go over it again and say the same thing again, but that would mean I'm just repeating myself. Bill, do you understand? Nothing's changed since an hour ago. You know what I mean? Are you there? Why would you ask me a question and not be there? So why would you ask me a question and then when I talk back to you, don't answer? I don't understand. Why would you do that? Why even ask a question? So why ask a question? And have the volume off so you can't even get the answer. Crazy. The July poker tournament. We're making it for July 15th at 2100 hours. Hold'em, 9 players, buy-in. This is real money. This is not correct. Hold'em. No limit. Currency, play money. Here it is. So we're going to buy in for 17th. That doesn't matter. It's just for real. We just do it to get in because it's $25. You'll do it. Format, we go 1 regular. Game speed is fast. No breaks. Payout, winner takes all. Blind interval, 3 minutes. Starting chips, 3,000. Add to favorite tournament. Results apply to club standings. Create tournament. You'll get an email now. I register. Confirm. Done. I'm registered for the tournament. So This is home game 192. Here's the number for it. The number for it. And my Mojo Poker Club is club ID 197281. The Mojo Poker Club. Poker 7/15. That's the date. I'm registered. There's the Mojo Poker Club. See you tomorrow night for that. I'll update the website right now too. Mojo Poker. Didn't realize, if you do mind repeating, I don't know what you asked. Oh, what do I think about UVXY right here? No problem. There you go. Sure. For the day trade, I was out of UVXY at 11:45 a.m. 3 hours ago. I stopped at 11:45. So I don't. The Dow was up 80 points, 70 points. Totally done. But the swing's a different story. Dude, I used to play golf every day. Now I sit here in the afternoons and go crazy and do nothing. I don't want to lose all the monies though you make. That's too easy to do. But I never used to be here, dude. I used to 10 o'clock after I didn't even do the show every day. I just go and play golf. Baby. Yeah, we got a nice tournament going for the Pokes. Tournament starts in one day, 5 hours, 30 minutes. Nice. The site looks good for the Pokers. Mojo Poke. For the Pokes, let me add a bot. All right. I got it all set. $25 buy-in. It's optional. You don't have to buy in. It's option. Nothing. Nothing's going on with nothing. Dow's up 108. It's climbing more. It's amazing, man. STM's 13 now. I bought a little bit of that back. Not a lot, though. I'll put the poker up on the main page for the weekend. I can do that. I'm taking down the free chat. Top, see the free chat? Gone. Watch, done, changed. Now I have the poker club up at top. If you click poker club, it starts in one day. There's the page. Tournament starts at 2100 hours, 8 p.m. or 9? I think it's 9 p.m., 2100 hours. Military time, is that 9 p.m.? Military time. So, right here. p.m. is 2100 hours. I do have it set. So we are set, guys, for 9 p.m. If you click buy, you should be taken to a page right here where you can buy for $25. Correct. Done. So you can buy for 25 bucks. Buy in. Sweet. So I'll see you this weekend. Excellent with the trading. Happy birthday to Alan in the room today. We finished up what we need to do. See you Sunday for my webinar if you guys would like. You guys could come Sunday. So I'll see you later. Twitch, Team, bye YouTube. Guys, thanks for watching, everybody. And chew, vapors, go burn a fatty. Peace. Pro Trader Mike signing off. Oh yeah, I got to put the disclaimer up. Everything we do is hypothetical here. You can't make money. See, I've been doing this for so long, guys. I'm a pro. You guys can't do what I do. That's why I got to put this disclaimer up. See, you don't drive that car either. But you can subscribe, and you can come to MOJO University and become a millionaire. That you can do.